What began as a typical routine night turned into a troubling case now under scrutiny. Authorities say the incident is a stark reminder that when trust is broken, the truth has a way of coming out in the wash. Our Ryan Lisiges tells us more.
Caught on CCTV is a man entering a motel while carrying an unconscious woman on December 4. Another CCTV footage shows the man entering a motel room with the same unconscious woman. Several hours later, the woman is seen walking out of the motel. The man is seen following her. The man in the video was later identified as a police officer from the Manila Police District or MPD. The police officer claimed that the woman was his friend. The woman later filed a rape complaint against the police officer. In her appearance before the National Police Commission or NAPOLCOM, the victim detailed the alleged sexual abuse committed by the police officer, who was also identified as a friend of her husband. The victim said she sought the police officer's help regarding her problem with her husband.
Pinaikot niya lang din po pala ako na hindi niya naman po pala dinaanan yung asawa ko. Kaya akala ko po, susunod yung asawa ko. Hindi ko alam na set up na po pala yung ginawa niya sa akin.
Instead of bringing her to her husband, the victim said she was taken to a bar to drink. The victim suspects that something was put into her drink, causing her to lose consciousness.
Nakapag-message pa po ako sa asawa ko nun. Mas after nun, ayun na, hanggang sa magising po ako na nasa motel. Yung talagang sabi ko, bakit wala akong maalala? Kung hindi lang dahil doon sa mga CCTV, hindi ko po makikita kung paano po ako nilabas dun sa club, saka kung paano po ako dinala sa hotel.
The victim maintains that she never agreed to be taken to a motel.
Hindi po ako pumayag na sumama sa kanya sa hotel. Kahit nung sa CCTV pa lang po doon ko lang po nakita na gano'n niya po pala ako pinasok sa hotel. Buti nga po nagising pa ako ng mga oras na hinahalay niya ako.
The National Police Commissioner NAPOLCOM assured that the case will be thoroughly investigated and that the police officer will be held accountable.
Ating mga pulis dapat nagtatanggol sa ating kababayan, hindi yung nagsasamantala. Hindi maaari ito. So bilang pulis ng pulis, gagawin natin ang lahat, dadaanan natin sa tamang proseso. Kung siya ay nanggahasa dito, siya ay mananagot, siya ay aming tatanggalin sa serbisyo.
Acting Chief PNP Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartatis Jr. also assured a fair and speedy investigation. Criminal and administrative cases have already been filed against the police officer. Ryan Lisiges from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.